In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a HubSpot form to your WordPress site seamlessly. Let's dive right into it by starting with your HubSpot account. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features we'll need. Once you're in, head over to the trial guide section. This area is an incredible resource hub where you'll find everything you need to kickstart your form building process. It's designed to help guide you step by step, ensuring you make the most of HubSpot's form capabilities. Moving on, navigate to your homepage, look for the marketing option and give it a click. This is where we'll start creating your form. Under the marketing menu, click on Forms. Now, it's time to create a new form, so click on Create Form. You'll be directed to the form editor where the magic happens. Here, you can select a template that suits your needs the best. Choosing the right template can save you time and effort, providing you with a solid foundation to build upon. Once you've picked your preferred template, it's time for some creativity. You'll now have the ability to customize the form to fit your specific requirements. This means you can add different elements like text fields, checkbox options, and more to tailor the form precisely to your needs. Remember, customization is key to ensuring the form aligns with what you or your visitors need. Once you're satisfied with the customization, it's important to save your work. Click Update to make sure everything you've worked on is captured. The next step is crucial, getting the form onto your WordPress site. To do this, click Get Embed Code and then simply copy the provided code. This embed code is what will allow you to seamlessly integrate your newly crafted HubSpot form onto your WordPress site. Now, let's switch over to your WordPress dashboard. The process from here is straightforward. Click on the Add icon, which is usually represented by a plus sign, and select Code. This is the step where you'll be pasting the embed code. Once you've selected Code, insert the copied code into the box that appears. That's it. You've just successfully integrated a HubSpot form into your WordPress site. This process not only enhances interaction on your website, but also allows you to seamlessly connect with your visitors, gather valuable information, and provide a more engaging user experience. Congratulations on adding more functionality to your site, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.